Hey everyone, it's Kyle with the new Prolux Core 13-inch buffer and floor polisher. The Core has a lot of cool features, including the sweet telescopic handle and a variety of pads and brushes. Stay tuned for an awesome video showing all the features. The Prolux Core comes in a sturdy, industrial strength package. The box is secured with strong staples and packaging bands. Remember, always be careful while using a box cutter or knife. After opening the box, you'll find 4 pieces inside: an instruction manual, a blue and white tile/hard floor scrubber brush, a 50-foot blue extension cord, and the Prolux Core itself. Once everything is unboxed, assembling the Prolux Core only requires one easy step. You simply slide the top handle portion onto the lower handle portion. Make sure the Core logo is facing toward the front of the machine. Once assembled, use the industrial-grade height-adjusting telescopic wand to adjust the handle to a height that's comfortable for you. Use the foot pedal to unlock the tilt mechanism. Use the extension cord holder to keep a strong, secure connection. Use the tilt mechanism, lean the core back, and you're on your way. Single button operation. The Prolux Core has a variety of optional pads and brushes that can be used for a variety of different floor surfaces. The light-duty brush does well on carpet, but can be used on other floor surfaces as well. The quiet rubber wheels makes moving locations a breeze. Changing out pads has never been easier. Simply pull the powder brush off. To install a different powder brush, lift the core and set it on top. Firmly push down, and the core's weight will attach the powder brush for you. Is your tile floors looking a little dull? Add some polish cream to either the microfiber pad or the floor and watch the Prolux Core do its job. All our pads and brushes are safe to use on wood floorings as well, whether it's a brush or a microfiber pad. We also offer stiffer brushes for harder floor surfaces, such as concrete, along with very coarse pads for sanding. Did we mention that we sell scouring pads for the Prolux Core? Well, there it is, the new Prolux Core. Hope you guys liked this video. If you did, hit that like button, get subscribed, and click the bell icon to stay notified of our new videos. What do you think about this new buffer? Let us know in the comments what you like about it, or maybe what you don't like about it. If you want to purchase anything we featured in this video, the links will be in the description. If you're in the market for a new floor buffer and polisher, head on over to our website and get yourself the all-new Prolux Core. Thanks for watching.